Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to Discord. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to sign into your Discord account. Then once you're on your account, you need to click on this gear icon in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Next, under user settings, you need to click on connection right here. Under connection here, you will see different accounts you may want to connect with your Discord account. So we have Spotify icon right here. Just click on it. Then next, if you're signed into your Spotify account, you will be taken to a page similar to this. And if you're not signed in, you'll be asked to do so. If you are here, scroll down, then below your Spotify profile, just click on agree button right here, and your Spotify will be connected to your Discord. Now when you go back to your Discord account, under connection settings, you will see Spotify is added right here. So you can just go ahead and choose to display on profile and display as your status by clicking on these buttons right here. Now from there, you'll be able to use Spotify together with your friends on Discord. So guys, that's how you can connect Spotify to Discord. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.